Howdy folks, today we have an Eagle Model 15 1990 model. I was going to take you through a little tour of it, so come on, let's go. So the owners of this bus just picked this up in Ohio and are going to full-time in it, probably going to call Tennessee home. They are from Florida, so if you want to look them up on YouTube, it is the Wandering Wheatons. Come on, let's take a little tour of it. I'll go ahead and show you around the outside. As you can see in this Model 15, they've left it very original. Even the original road shades for when you need to get the sun out of your face. They go all the way around. As you see here, it's the destination sign, so if you want to change the sign, all you gotta do is hit this button and it'll change the sign down below.